It's your girl Deja and I'm back with another mother freaking video. And for today's video, you guys, I'm going to be setting up my filter and my shower head. My boyfriend's actually in the bathroom right now taking down the old shower head, and I'm gonna run in there and put this up, okay? So before we even get into this video, y'all, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, smack that bell so you become part of the notification gang. And let's get into this. All right, so it actually comes with two filters. I don't know if I said this when I showed you guys when I had first opened this up, but it comes with two filters. So there's one filter inside and there's an extra one right here. And then it has the shower head, yes, and like some tools and stuff, you know, to set it up. So let's go and meet him in the bathroom. But before we even do that, what y'all think of that back there? That look cute, right? It look cute. Ah! And then we have the dresser, but it's not set up yet. It's kind of still in a box. We're probably gonna work on that tonight. And I'm gonna try to put something on the wall back there, like a little background or something, to make it look all nice and pretty and whatnot, you know? Okay, let's go meet him in the bathroom, y'all. All right, so he got the shower head out up there. I think there's I don't know what type of tape it's called. I think plumber's tape or something. I don't know, but we have an extra one. It came with it in the box. Let me see if I can find it. At least I think that's what this is. This right here. I think it looks, let me see. Yeah, it looks like the same thing. All right, babe, come on. Okay, so it says to let the filter run. No, the filter run under the water.
I did that. Feel me?
Okay, so in the instruction, guys, it has a quick 5-step. It says, so which way?
That way.
Okay, so you put this way for about 20 seconds under the water. So I guess to clean it. Does it say cold water, warm water, does it matter? I don't think it matters. Yeah, okay. So all right, it says to do that to like flush out any carbon particles that's inside of it. So when we do that for 20 seconds, remove it. Okay, babe, we gotta get the plumber's tape.
The what?
Plumber's tape is right here.
Alright, let me wipe my hand.
I don't know why you sitting over there eating. So I think, but there's already plumber's tape on there.
That's what that was?
Yeah, there's already plumber's tape on there. So
That's what it was.
I wonder if you gotta take that off. See if it come off.
I doubt it.
What you mean? Yeah? Alright, so take that one off. Ooh, I'm excited! I think the only thing that I'm nervous about is I don't know how the water pressure is gonna like come out of this. Huh? It's not working? Okay, we'll just wrap this around. It says like 2 to 3 times. I'm gonna get you some tape, some scissors. Okay, so he's wrapping the plumber's tape around it. Ooh, armpit hair, baby. Okay, so you just wrap the plumber's tape around that part. It only said 2 or 3 times, babe. How many times did you do it? Okay, here, cut it.
I gotta do the whole thing. I ain't do the whole thing.
No, you did it 2 to 3 times?
Babe, I didn't even. I gotta do the top or the whole thing.
No, just that one part where it was on.
Alright, yeah.
Where like you saw the other plumber tape around it?
Yeah.
That's it.
Alright, you can use it. Does it stick?
It's supposed to, yeah, just cut it now. Boom. Oh, my tummy. Okay, so now you just, which side? So you put this part in there on that, not this. I think this is for the shower head. So put this part in. Careful. Twist it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, it's dripping. Make sure it's nice and tight. Is it? Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab this part. I think you're gonna have to take that part off of it. Don't break it, babe.
It's like I can still see the white tape.
That's because you probably put it up too high.
So try it. Okay. Then take this part off.
Yeah, take that part off.
Oh, this top piece.
And then just screw it in there. It's cute.
We taking this one and move out.
Duh. I paid $28.99 for that. It's coming with me.
I guess it's alright. I guess it's tight.
It's nice and tight?
Yeah, I can't screw it. I'm moving this.
Okay.
That's
Alrighty.
it?
Yeah, that's it.
What?
Yeah, that's it. Alright, turn the water on and let's see what is working with. Boy, if you don't get out the shower. Turn the water on. No, I wanna see the shower pressure. Just wanna see if it changed or anything. Ooh, that look nice. What it feel like?
Feel nice. Feel nice.
Ooh, yeah, y'all. I'm ready. Yes. All right, turn it back off. Yes. Okay. Alright, y'all, so this is gonna be like a real quick video because I honestly didn't think it was gonna be that quick, like a 1, 2, 3 kind of thing. But yeah, if you didn't see the video that I posted when I bought this, it was my unboxing video with all my Amazon products. So go and check that out. I think this was about $28.99 and the link is in the description box in that video. So go watch that. Yeah, that's really gonna be about it, y'all. I'm actually about to wash my hair now. But I really want to split it into 2 videos so I have content, you know, like I don't care if this video is short or whatever, it's content, you feel me? Thank you, period. But yeah, so I'm gonna end this video off and then I'm gonna wash my hair that I'm using my filter because that's my new filter or whatever and my new shower head or whatever, and it's cute and I'm excited. So I mean, I feel like I wouldn't really feel a difference in my hair until after a couple washes, of course. So I won't really have anything to say about it just yet. So I'm not gonna wash my hair right now. I'm like, oh my gosh, y'all, that shower filter works so good. Nah, because then I will be lying. And I don't lie. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna do that. But that's all I got for you guys. Make sure you guys go check that other video out so you can get the link in the description box for the shower head right here. Boop, boop, boop. I'll probably put it up top. You can click it. I don't know. But yeah. Thank you so much for tuning into my video, guys. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Smack that bell. Smack that subscribe button so you can find the notification gang. I said that backwards. Smack that subscribe button. Smack that bell so you can find the notification gang. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Just be true.